Hey everyone, so I thought about not sharing this process video just because it's so simple and quick, but I want to add it to my simple scrapbooking playlist, and that way it can be there and show you that you don't need a lot to make a really awesome project. For this one, I use Citrus Twist, the papers from the September kit. This one, I just use the papers, the stamp, and the add-on die cut pack from September. And that's it. Just basically 3 things and just 2 labels and some puffy stickers. And that's it. And I made this layout. So I hope you enjoy seeing this one come together super quick. All right, I'm gonna put it together now and go to voiceover. Okay, going into this project, I knew I was going to use my white paper that's kind of thin because I knew both pages, both sides of the spread is going to be backed onto more Life Crafted spreads. So thin paper is okay. I'm also going to take both photos, the larger photo and the smaller photo, and mat them on the same light pink paper. I am just trying to figure out how I want to layer in the papers because I'm mimicking the same design for the bottom right and the top left with the bigger photo and the smaller photo. I just need to figure out how I want the papers to go. And I think I've said this before, I don't measure usually, I just kind of eyeball it and maybe mark with a pencil what I think looks good. So that's kind of what I did, and now I'm placing all these different vellum pieces that oh, I love them. They're so good. I think I used nearly every single pink flower in that pack, but it just went with my photos so perfectly. I decided to add a really thin strip of yellow at the bottom. It's from the Citrus Twist kit, and it is just a very subtle pattern, and it adds the continuity that I wanted between both pages. I think that's a really simple way to connect both pages, is just to have the same pattern paper and the same striped paper across both. It's just a simple way to connect both pages. So now I'm going to put the photos down. I have the block of brown, and then I have my photo, and then I will start to adhere the flowers. I also am going to stamp a few phrases. I was about ready to peel off the sticker label, but then I realized I need to just, I'll just stamp and not peel the label off. For most of these flowers, I am going to just adhere them down with some adhesive. For a few of them, I will staple like this letterboard. That's what I want to call it, letterboard. I am stapling twice, and then for this yeah vellum piece, I will staple twice. So basically the main vellum pieces I am stapling, and then the other ones I'm just gluing down, because I didn't want a million staples everywhere. I mean, that would kind of take away from the overall design. Okay, so this is what I was talking about with the labels. I left them on the sheet, and that makes more sense when I'm stamping. So I stamp, it's the little things, and then I think this second phrase is this day, and I was pushing down really hard so that way I could get the phrase to stick on that label. So I am putting down it's the little things on the right hand side, and then this day over on the left, because truly I was outside watering, and I was just taking a moment to myself, just going outside to water, and then I was just like, you know what, I'm really enjoying this. Why don't I just snap a photo? And so I did. So I really was enjoying the slower, littler things in life. I'm going to finish off this project with some stamping, and I'm doing it in black to add a little pop of the black, and I just really like the striking effect it created, and I'll use all the different florals in the stamp set. I don't remember which one it is, but if it's still available, I will link it. I'm also adding in a few of the tan, neutral colored puffy hearts as well, and I'm nearly done with this project, and I love it. It's so pretty, and it just came together just really quickly, so quickly. That's why this process video is so quick. So adding in a few puffy hearts, and I'm done. Okay, that was super quick, wasn't it? I absolutely love all these die cuts in this kit. I believe they're Heidi Swapp, and I want to say it's one of her newer collections for storyline chapters maybe, but it's the Old School collection, and it had these beautiful die cuts, just a wide range, as you can see in here, a wide range of different types of die cuts and vellum pieces. So I saw these and I knew that I had this picture of me in this hat, and it just all came together really seamlessly. Added in a little bit of black and stamped phrases and called it done. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this simple, easy project come together. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.